Definitely for the deep tissue spots, this is hitting fantastic. Hello everyone and welcome to Real Life Unboxing. In today's video, we're going over the Bob and Brad C2 mini massage gun. Bob and Brad actually got their start on YouTube in 2011 and strives to offer the best get fit, stay healthy, and pain-free information directed toward people of all ages. Physical therapists Bob and Brad have over 60 years of combined experience in the field and over 3.3 million subscribers on YouTube. Bob and Brad really love what they do, and they'll assist you with do-it-yourself treatment for common problems. With a series of videos and follow-along principles, you can be on your way to a healthy, fit, and pain-free life with Bob and Brad's YouTube channel as well. So I will leave links down in the description below to Bob and Brad's YouTube channel as well, so you guys should show your love and go check them out. We spin the box around right here. On the back we see that it comes with 5 massage heads and 5 speed levels to target specific muscle groups and apply the right amount of pressure to relieve your muscle pain. Quiet and 3200 RPM with unique quiet glide technology and brushless high torque motor. The working dB is less than 60 decibels through 5 speeds, equipped with a rechargeable 2500 milliamp high quality lithium battery. It can power a week's worth of use after fully charging, and it has convenient Type-C charging. No worries about charging when you're traveling in different countries. This deep tissue percussion massager can be charged via Type-C, your regular phone adapter, or 50V2A adapter. What's included is 1 mini massage gun, Type-C cable, carrying case, 5 massage heads, user manual, and the warranty card. Let's go ahead and open it up, take a look at it, and test it out a bit. Okay, first thing, as soon as I get it out of the packaging, you can tell it's a very nice hard case. It's got the fabric top on it. Reminds me of my DJI Mavic case. Really nice quality. A lot of them have the same type of case, but this one is a little bit sturdier than most of them and doesn't bow. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at the quality of the actual massage gun, which is what we're here for. Okay, head's a little bit lopsided in there, just laying. I'm gonna go ahead and place that back in there and take a look at our massage gun. By far the smallest massage gun that I've got so far. Most of them are extremely bulky and extremely heavy. Sleek too. I love the gray finish and then the silicone black. With its lightweight portable design, this is only 1.5 pounds, easy to carry anywhere and easy to pack into a gym bag in the home gym office. Bring your own case to increase portability of the massager. It's easy to hold with the ergonomic silicone handle design, and you can carry it with you and use it anytime. The max speed of up to 3,200 RPMs can help muscle recover faster, reduce pain, reduce fatigue, and lactic acid buildup, encourages blood flow, improves range of motion, flexibility, helps with muscle stiffness, and much more as well. Because of the stronger percussion of this massage gun, it's more suitable for professional athletes, but can be used by the regular user as well. It's very small, very portable, and shouldn't beat you up like some of the bigger and bulkier massage guns. So has 5 different massage heads, just like I said. Each of those massage heads are in different shapes and can be used on different muscle groups and provide targeted therapy for fast recovery. And this also has a large capacity battery with Type-C quick charge, a smart chip, and 10-minute auto off protection. Built-in intelligent chip working for 10 minutes to automatically shut down to avoid overuse to harm the human body. And its ultra quiet muscle massage gun uses the latest noise reduction technology to reduce the noise of the massage gun during use. So really cool, under 60 decibels, even at its max of 3,200 RPMs. So let's go ahead and start using this. I'm actually going to demonstrate this a little bit on my wife today. So let's go ahead and hop on over to the other part of the studio, and we'll go ahead and check this massage gun out a little bit further in depth and see how it works and see how it feels. Let's go. First, for our demonstration, we're going to be using the general tip head, and this one is for use all over for many muscle groups. But right here, we're going to use it on the shoulder and a little bit of the back and potentially some of the arm as well. So let's go ahead and power on our Bob and Brad massage gun. Just hold the power button. And now we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and place it on the 3rd setting. And how is that feeling?
Amazing.
Amazing, she says. Already. Big thumbs up.
Awesome.
Awesome. Alright, now let's go ahead and switch our heads out and check out the other selection. For our second massage head, we'll be doing the air cushion head, and this one is a very soft head right there, and instead of the hard plastic, will act like a cushion, and this one should be very interesting. I can't wait to see what this one feels like. Very excited for this one. So let's check this one out. And I'm going to turn it on 2. Let's go ahead and... Oh, let's get... That is the one, she says.
Wow, that one's way better.
That is absolutely amazing. This is running in actual real time as well, guys. This is not slowed down. This is not sped up. This is actually what I'm seeing, and this is actually what my wife is feeling. All the way down here, I can feel the vibration. She is definitely feeling the vibration as well. Next on the list, we're using the blunt tip flat, and this one should also feel very well, but it is actually made out of a hard plastic and not as cushiony as the other one, which was labeled as the cushion head. So let's actually check this one out. Looks pretty cool. The stroke is 8 millimeters, so that's a relatively good stroke. Still small in some cases, but it's a mini massage gun and very portable, very quiet, so the stroke is only 8 millimeters. And on this one, I'm going to turn it up a little bit, just so we can see it being used a little bit better. And where the stroke size is still small, it actually doesn't damage a little bit, because sometimes I feel like my Referral deep tissue massage gun hits just a little too hard, and plus it also feels like a wrist workout when I'm using it, because it's very bulky, very heavy massage gun in comparison to this one right here. And look at the use. Absolutely fantastic movement on this one. So let's go ahead and move on to our next one and check it out as well. This tip right here is going to be the one for the deep tissue that you really need to get to. Hard to reach places with the knots that you just had for days, if not weeks. This one right here will get those kinks right out for you. So let's go ahead and check this one out as well, and then we'll move on to our next and final head. And I'm going to actually be using this on the thigh now. So let's see how this one works on the thigh. I didn't want to use it on the back because, like I said, it's going to hit that deep tissue, and it's going to be perfect for places such as the thigh muscles and places on the leg. Definitely might be ticklish as well too. My wife's very ticklish.
Yeah, it's for the thicker spots.
Definitely for the deep tissue spots. This is hitting fantastic though. Definitely covering a lot of area as well. Now, since we checked this one out, let's go ahead and move on to our last and final head, which is the U-shaped head. Alright guys, now since we did all the other heads and the demonstrations, I'm going to go ahead and show you the last demonstration on my arm and take it from here. Let's go ahead and pull out the massage gun and the final head, which will be the U-shaped head. This one is also very versatile and will grab alongside the hand. Feels good along the hand, any of your fingers as well. Alongside there, your wrist and everything is an amazing tool for the wrist and the hands and arms. So I'm going to start right here with my fingers. Wow, it feels absolutely amazing. Now we're going to run it up this finger. Oh, hit my wedding band right there. And then alongside the wrist, and then you can also use it just like that alongside the arm as well. But overall, an amazing massage gun. Everything that I can tell, 10 out of 10 ratings from me and my wife both, and we really love this. Very light, very versatile. Like I said, it's only 1.5 pounds and really packs a punch, especially in comparison to some of the other bulkier options, and that is why I will definitely recommend this product. I will be leaving links to it down in the description below if you guys want to get one for yourself as well. Alongside the link, there will also be a 10% discount code listed down in the description below, right beside the link, if you guys want to check it out as well. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.